Hello, and today we're going to make a rainbow string art. What you will need is some white card. I've got a big piece of white paper, some different coloured paints, some string, and a book. So first we're going to put our paint onto our paper. So red, up. Next it's our orange paint, and we're going to put it next to them as well. Yellow paint, next it's green, then we have our blue paint, and then it's our purple paint. So if we look, we can see all the colours of the rainbow. Next we get our string and we place it into the paint and we twist it around so it's all covered like that. See? So it's all got different colours on it. Okay. Then, very carefully, we get our white, smaller piece of paper, get our string, and then we make a little wiggly pattern with it on our paper. But we make sure that they've got some ends there coming out the bottom. Next, you put another piece of white paper on top, like that. And this is when we need our book. So the book goes on top. You might need some help with this, because somebody will need to push on the book whilst you pull the string, okay? Hopefully it'll work. So push down on the book to keep it firm, and then pull on the string till it comes out. Okay. Should we have a look and see what's happened? So take the book off. Oh, there you go. It looks like a little rainbow flower. You can start higher up and do lots more paint on it and have a bigger design, but that's quite sweet, I think. Thank you.